Do you like spinach? I love spinach. I love using spinach in salads and on pizza. I'm going to show you a very simple, easy way to enjoy spinach. This is my favorite way to eat spinach, and it is to sauté the spinach with olive oil and garlic. Recipe is real simple. For the ingredients, you need 2 to 3 cups of fresh spinach, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And the amounts can vary depending on how much spinach you have. Here are the steps. Number 1, you want to wash the spinach and drain it in a colander. Number 2, you can release excess water by putting the spinach in a salad spinner. Then you want to mince your 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, or more if you want to use that. Put the olive oil in a pan and heat to medium. When the pan is hot, put in the minced garlic. Let the garlic saute for a minute or 2. You want to be careful not to overcook the garlic. You just put the spinach in the pan and cook, and you'll see it wilt almost immediately. Salt and pepper the spinach to taste, and you have heaven. You can use the spinach as a side dish, put it on a pizza or calzone, and even use it in an omelet. There are countless ways you can use spinach. I've used this recipe a lot when I'm going to someone's house and I need to bring a quick dish, and I'll just saute some spinach up. People love it. There you have it. Simple, easy, healthy, and delicious. Thanks for watching. If you could show a little spinach love and subscribe to the Pizza Therapy channel here on YouTube, we certainly would appreciate it. Spinach and pizza on earth. Goodwill.